open up the inner door.
Yeah.
He's up around that outside LED light there.
Yeah.
He's up around in there.
Okay, so open this door.
Open that.
And open up the inner door.
Open up that cluster metal door.
Okay. Okay. Last time I was here, he dived into the actual return thing. No, not in there. And he's not up here around the LED. What I'll do is before I do anything, I'll just check this. Which means, how big was he, do you think?
Oh, about 5 foot long.
5 foot long?
No, you know, a couple of feet.
Okay.
So you wait to ask him how long.
Okay, so, yeah.
Around where the coins come in.
Okay.
Where the coins come in.
Where the coins come in, yep, just here.
Yeah.
We might have to drag him out. Okay, he's not there. There's a large hole there. Yep. Okay. Well, that's a good thing that he's not there, isn't it? Have my hook. Come on. Get him just.
There's him, guys.
Same colour.
Only a little fella.
Like 500 foot long when I look at him. Just when he looked me in the eye.
Yeah, there's heaps of these guys on this golf course. You see, he doesn't want to hurt us. No, he just wants to get away from us, but you know. Yeah, they flare up like a bit like a cobra.
He's going to be going.
Okay, you reckon there might be more around?
So this is his little home here, wasn't it?
There's a gap underneath the fencing machine, so there might be some sort of like a door sealer or something like that you can put underneath it just to make sure it doesn't happen again. Yeah. This, like I said, it's the second time I've been out to that machine, so. But so this was the one that you saw over there as well.
Same colour.
Yeah, well they're all the
same size.
Rosebud snakes are all the same colour. You go to Portsea and they go a bit darker. You go to Red Hill and they get lighter. You get reds and greens and things like that in amongst them. Yeah, but no, well, he's out of here now anyway. I'll probably take him across the road and let him go in the swamp.
Yeah, the swamp's fun.
Yeah.
Just want to keep him out of the next machine.
This is the release spot. Looks good. That's a big canal running all the way down there, all the way to Chinaman's Creek. Actually, runs into Chinaman's Creek. Here we are at the back of Bonio, back of Rosebud. I'm just about to run out of film. Yep. Okay, we'll let him go. I'll see if I can get some photos of him before he takes off, but don't hold your breath. It's quite an angry little tiger snake, this one. He didn't like being pulled out of the coke machine, but Doesn't matter. It's going to be all right then.